We all benefit from the rich ideas and discoveries of an inclusive workforce in science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM. But we're far from this reality. Take gender, for example. Although we see an almost equal gender representation in the U.S. workforce overall, women, especially Black, Indigenous, and Hispanic women, are underrepresented in STEM careers. So why is this the case? There are many systemic reasons, but one has roots in stereotypes and bias. Data show that the implicit bias that math is for boys is widely held in the U.S. and many other countries around the world. Here at the University of Washington's Institute for Learning and Brain Sciences, or iLabs, we've uncovered just how early this gender stereotype is absorbed. By preschool, children develop a sense of gender identity, like I'm a girl. By about the third grade, we found that children seem to have internalized the bias that math is for boys. Children begin to link this bias with their gender identity shortly after that. For example, a girl might say, math isn't for me. And thinking I'm a math person or not can impact everything from your interest and motivation in STEM to even how well you do on a math test. Our research indicates that you can counteract negative stereotypes about who can or can't do STEM by focusing on children's mindsets, social connectedness, and identities, rather than just focusing on academic STEM content alone. For example, we found that reducing visual cues of gendered stereotypes in classrooms can increase girls' interest in taking a STEM class. In another study, we found that children who felt like they were part of a group associated with STEM did better and were more motivated in STEM activities. We're partnering with the Southeast Seattle Education Coalition, which serves 22 schools and over 50 community-based organizations in South Seattle. The coalition is dedicated to improving school practices so that all students succeed. Under this community guidance, we're working to develop interventions that help affirm children's identities and keep them motivated in STEM. Our research suggests that children's beliefs about themselves and about their abilities can dramatically impact their learning and academic achievements. Together, we're working to support positive engagement with STEM for all children.
I am the scientist.